Welcome back to the Engineering Lab. Today, we aren't just doing engineering, we're defining structural intelligence at Arrowway. If you're tired of clunky, outdated software, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through an analysis of a beam using a new exciting software available free for everyone. This is HydraBeam3D. It's advanced, it's web-based, and it's about to change how you visualize finite element analysis. Let's fire it up. HydraBeam3D was developed by Dr. Stephen Borneman. The motivation for creating this software was to create a versatile, verified, and quick solution to beam shear, moment, and deflections when loaded. HydraBeam3D is part of the HydraSoft group of programs. Initialization complete. Welcome to the dashboard. First, let's set the stage. We start with a standard 10-meter span, but let's make it interesting. We're locking down the left side, changing that pin to a fixed support. Then, let's add a prop. We'll drop a roller support right at the 5.0 meter and 7.5 meter mark. Watch the 3D view update instantly. Now, let's apply some pressure. We've already got a distributed load, but let's punish this beam a little more. We're adding a 10 kilonewton point load right at the tip of the cantilever. But here is where HydraBeam3D really shines. We aren't stuck with boring rectangles. Let's switch to a T-beam. Here you can see 7 different standard cross-sections available to choose from a solid rectangular section to a hollow, circular tube section. Let's go ahead and select the T section. We can fully parameterize the flange width and web thickness. Notice the live preview? You know exactly what you're building before you solve. Section set. Here you can see all the second area moment of inertia for this particular cross-section. Loads applied. Constraints locked. It's crunch time. We simply press the blue button at the bottom labeled Use this section, and this applies the section to the beam. Then we press the Run Analysis button to solve the beam. Boom! Instant results. Look at that deflection animation. You can physically see how the structure is reacting to the load. No digging through spreadsheets. No looking up textbook equations for particular examples. Your critical pass/fail data is right here. The 3D beam view shows the actual deflections and reaction forces and moments at each support. You can click Scale to increase the deflections to more clearly show the behavior of the beam under loading and even animate, which is pretty cool. Max shear, max moment, and max deflection front and center. And for the purists, we've got your detailed support reactions and automated global equilibrium checks. All green checks mean our physics is solid. Now let's get graphical. Click over to the Diagrams tab. This is what engineering actually looks like. Shear force, bending moment, and deflection, all interactive. Hover anywhere along the span to get the exact value at that specific millimeter. But we can go deeper. Let's look inside the beam. This is the section stress analysis. Because we chose a T-beam, our stress distribution isn't symmetrical. You can see the neutral axis shifting the massive compressive stress at the top and the tension at the bottom. It visualizes the invisible forces tearing the material apart. This is HydraBeam3D. Fast, accurate, and available right in your browser. Try it out. It's free and available to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.